Welcome to all. So now we are going to discuss about the DNS, domain name server. So how the websites actually works. So that is what we are going to set up in Cisco Packet Tracer. In real life, we actually use the end system. We are using the browser. With the help of the browser, we are going to browse the content which available in a website. Right now we are going to simulate it, the simple web server, and how does the simple website is actually working. So right now I'm going to use one server, two PCs and two switches here to configure the web server. Okay, so this is very simple setup. Right now go with, so first I'm going to take one of the server. I'm going to take a 2911 server. Okay, so sorry, router. I'm going to take a 2911 router, and I'm going to take a two switches. So for complexity, I'm using two switches. Okay, for if you are going to use a first time, you are go with only one switch is enough for you. Okay, and I'm going to connect one PC here, and I'm going to use a one server. Okay, so actually the server which contain the website, this is the end system, this is the server. We are going to access the website which is available in the server through by this PC. So that is our concept. So now go to connect all these in a communication medium one by one. All those are different devices, so copper straight through cable is enough. Okay, right. So now we need to set up. So first we need to solve this area. So the router is in, actually what is the purpose of the router? To connect two networks together. So this is a one network here, this is another one network. So right now we need to solve this problem here. The red triangle, we need to turn it into the green triangle. Okay, enable configure terminal. So first we need to configure the first interface. Okay, what is the interface of it? This is a gigabit Ethernet 0. Okay, here this is a gigabit Ethernet 1. Okay, so first go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and IP address of my router. Okay, so this is the default gateway IP address for first interface, 192.168.1.1. so this is the default subnet mask. Okay, no shutdown. And we need to configure the second interface. Okay, you see that it turned into the green. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and IP address 192.168.2.1. so this is another one, different network. Okay, right, no shutdown. Okay, so that's it, we configured the router properly. So right now we need to configure the end system here. So before that we need to configure the server. So we need to configure the web server. First go into the server, into the service tab. Okay, you can see the service tab. In the service tab go to the HTTP. so by default it turn it on, it turned already on, so we no need to do nothing, and go with the DNS. Okay, here we need to turn on the DNS server. So in the DNS server we need to provide the website www So this is my website. Okay, and provide the IP address of this website. Okay, so before that we need to consider the IP address of its default of its network. Okay, 192.168.2.2. Okay, so that is the IP address of my website. Okay, so and then go to the desktop section, and here, so 192.168.2.2, and what is the default gateway? 192.168.2.1. so that is a default gateway of this second okay network. So the default gateway of second network. Okay, so now go with the PC0 and click it there, and configuration section. So go to the desktop section here, 192.168.1.10 for the end system IP address. Default gateway, this is that 1.1. so that's the default gateway of this and DNS server 192.168.2.2. that is the default DNS server of it. So right now we need to check is it works or not. So right now I configured everything properly, but I need to check. So here I go with the PC command prompt ping 192.168.2.2. I try to ping it. If it is works, yeah, it works perfectly, it works. So now we need to simulate it, and to go to the simulation mode, and in a command prompt click it there. You can see how does it works. PC0 to the switch to the router to the switch, and switch to the server. Okay, so once the server was received the request, and it is responded to the client. Okay, server responded to the client. Okay, server respond to its client. Yeah, perfect. So this is the way it works. Okay, so right now go with the browser. We need to access the website which available in a web server. It takes some time. Wait, once you click it, wait some time. Yeah, www.com. yeah, it works. Okay, right, it works properly. So now we are going to connect another one PC within it. Okay, go to and connect another one PC here. Okay, so in this PC we are going to set it up. Right, so we just need to configure the PC. Here, go to there, 192.168.1.11, 192.168.1.1 its default gateway. This is the website address 2.2. okay, right, so try to access the website from this PC. So we are using simulator, so that's why it is too slow, because don't urge it. If you click it again and again, it will be hang, freeze. Okay, www dot. Okay, right, it works. Okay, now go to connect another one PC here. Take another one PC in this switch. Take another one PC in this switch. Okay, right. So we need to configure this desktop 192.168.2.10 and 192.168.2.1, 192.168.2.2. okay, and to go with the web browser. Come on. Yeah. www dot go. Right, it works. Okay, so this is a very simple setup of DNS. Okay, so I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. See you, bye.